How pretty does a keyboard need to be? This pretty? Does it need to be that pretty? Does it need to be this pretty? Beautiful keyboard. Lovely. Let's see how pretty it really needs to get. How about that pretty? Is that pretty enough? I've gone through dozens of keyboards. Well, it seems like it. Probably not dozens. I have Radio Shack keyboards when Radio Shack was a thing and I was desperate. I have multiple Logitech, including that one I just showed you, the Logitech De Novo Edge, which is actually quite beautiful and quite good on my iPad. It just doesn't work with my computer, which is what I really need a keyboard for. And the several Apple keyboards I have don't work with my computer. That is, they stop working reliably. They just go away, even when they have all their keys. This one, however, this is a very pretty keyboard, right? It's nice. It's a nice low-profile keyboard from Apple. Well, you see the missing keycap. Can't replace it. So I bought a mechanical keyboard. I researched mechanical keyboards. I almost bought one for almost $200 because it was highly praised. It's the DOS Keyboard Pro. DOS Keyboard 4 Pro or some damn thing like that. I don't know. I didn't buy it because the Keychron K2 Bluetooth keyboard, also works with a wire. And that's what I needed. And it has a sturdy wire. Notice this. This has a sturdy angle Type-C connector right there. And it goes right to the front port on my old Mac Pro, which is not USB-C. And of course, you can change all the keys. Unlike on a Logitech or a Mac or Apple keyboard, it's easy to change the keys. The low-profile keys I find difficult to replace. In fact, I find them impossible. I've never successfully replaced one of them. This looks like it might actually be a good deal. It costs less than $100. It's backlit, which I guess is prettier than anything else I have. But how pretty does it need to be? It doesn't need to be that pretty. It needs to be useful. And what this is clicky. But what you're really wondering is, why is the keyboard on my lap? And there we get to the devil in the details of how to properly use a keyboard. Most people have the keyboard on their desk like a responsible adult, and they look good doing it, right? You clickety, clickety, clickety up here, and you're putting all this stress on your wrists. Well, I'm not going to make myself crippled because I have to type. That's my job. I type a lot. I'm going to make myself a cripple? No, I'm not. I put it on my lap, and I don't have any problems related to carpal tunnel. As soon as I started putting on my lap, everything got better. The problem is that sometimes the dog jumps on the lap with the keyboard on it. There goes a key on a low-profile keyboard. So you see my problem. Perhaps if you do not lose keys, your low-profile keyboard use just works fine. I'm afraid that's not the case with me. I lose keys, and I lose the ability to use the half dozen or dozen low-profile keyboards that I have hanging around here, only half useful. You know, it's like pushing on the little... Here, look at this. This actually works. You could actually get something out of this. You can actually... It ain't comfortable. It's not fast. It's kind of dumb. So I'm trying a mechanical keyboard, backlit, with a wire. It'll switch to the iPad if I need it, though, frankly, I have about 4 keyboards that work fine on the iPad. And I must say, I do actually prefer typing, writing on the iPad. It's so much easier. I can do it anywhere. But I need a computer. I mean, it's not just Photoshop. It's just not Logic Pro. There are times you need a computer. The file management is better. Anyway, I have tried the Keychron K2 keyboard. Why am I blurry? It's a Logitech webcam right there, and I was blurry for a while. I don't know. I guess it's just slow on the uptake. I guess I should spend $200 on another webcam from Logitech. Anyway, no more Logitech keyboards for me. Mechanical keyboards, even if they are clickety-clackety. Because I don't want to be buying a new keyboard every year. And these mechanical ones are supposed to accept 1 million clicks. That's a lot of clicks. I don't know if we'll ever get to 1 million. I'm already kind of old, right? See ya.